Hi Ramona, hope you're doing well. This is a little video review for you since you were out this week. We're going to touch on a couple things, but first I want to make sure you are doing the first finger exercise that we learned together. It is important because it's going to help really strengthen our fingers, especially our weaker two fingers, which is our ring finger and our pinky finger here. So let's review that together. Starting on the first fret of the first string, we simply just go 1, 2, 3, 4 and on to the next. It'll look like this, nice and slow. Like I said, on to the next string. And we go all the way up, nice and slow. Again, that's one finger per fret. So the first finger on the first, your middle finger on the second, third finger on the third, and your pinky on the fourth. Remember, so we left off here. Once we get to the bottom, we gotta work our way back up, going backwards. So again, it'll look like this. Pretty easy, but we got to make sure we're practicing it, because what we're going to see in the next coming weeks is actually going to be pretty tricky for some of our weaker fingers, okay? We have another exercise to build upon. So it's going to go kind of similar to that first one, but we're really focusing on separating these two fingers from these two fingers, right? And getting these fingers to kind of operate on their own regard. So it'll look like this. We call it 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. And it's just like it sounds. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 3, 4. And we just move up like we do before. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Just like the last time, we got to do it backwards as well. So remember, we're going to go 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Pretty easy, but can also be pretty hard and tricky for these two fingers right here, okay? Please look at the sheet I have provided for you as well if you need a little bit of a reference for that. Lastly, the one thing I wanted to cover is I told you that we would start learning songs if we got good with our chords, and we are getting pretty good with our chords. We definitely need to work on our transitions a little bit more. However, you have a great memory for the chords. So the song that we kind of briefly looked at last week that you said you knew and everyone at your school knew requires 4 chords. And those chords, again, we'll have it attached on a piece of paper or on a PDF for you to look at. But it's going to be E, your E major chord, just like that. And then a G, just like that. And then a D. And then a C. When we put it all together, I'm gonna take my horse through the old town road. I wanna ride till I can't no more. So remember, we can work on the chord transitions between E to G to D we will be able to play Old Town Road in its entirety. Again, what we really got to practice is those chord transitions. So before we even worry about playing along with the song, let's just make sure we can strum very easily E to G, D to C. Two strums is fine. E, E, G, G, D, D, C, C. All right, that is it for this video lesson. I will see you guys when you get back from vacation. Everyone have a swell time.